Hi everyone, welcome to Pottery Day. In today's video, we're diving into functional pottery by creating a beautiful clay wall vase or hanging flower pot. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the clay. First, you'll need mud clay or stoneware clay. Roll it out into a flat sheet about 1.5 centimeters thick using a rolling pin. Next, cut out a rectangular shape. I'm measuring mine at 16 centimeters in length and 9 centimeters in width, but feel free to get creative with the size. Step 2. Adding the details. Now, make a hole near the top of the rectangle to hang your vase. Be careful not to place it too close to the edges to avoid cracks. I'm using a straw to make the hole. Step 3. Designing the pocket. Decide how big you want the pocket to be, then score the edges of both the pocket and the base using a pointed tool or knife. Apply slip to the scored areas to help them stick together. If you're unsure how to make slip at home, check out my tutorial linked in the description. Attach the pocket to the base and trim the edges for a clean finish. Once assembled, let it dry completely. Step 4. Decorating. This is where you can have fun. I've painted mine with a checkered pattern, but pottery is all about experimenting. Try out different patterns or colors to make it uniquely yours. That's it. Your clay wall vase is ready. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more pottery inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Pottery Day. Bye!